In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to your Wix website. Let's get started, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the know-how to easily add and customize text on your site. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Wix website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.wix.com. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click on Log In. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to use your credentials to access your account. After logging in, locate the specific website you wish to edit from your dashboard. Simply click on it to open up the options. Now you're ready for the next step, opening the Wix editor. From your dashboard, find and click on the button that says Edit Site. This action will launch the Wix editor, a versatile tool where you can manipulate various elements on your website to match your design vision. Once inside the editor, it's time to add a text box to your site. Look on the left-hand side menu for a button that says Plus Add. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. To add text, hover over Text, then choose the type you want, whether it be a paragraph, title, or heading. After selecting your style, a text element will appear. Click and hold to drag and drop it to your desired spot on the page. With your text box in place, click inside it to start typing or to paste content you've already prepared. You'll notice that a text toolbar pops up, providing a range of customization options. To make your text truly fit your style, you can adjust the font, size, and color. Choose from bold, italic, or underline styles, or perhaps highlight key sections. You also have the option to align the text as you prefer. Furthermore, you can add links, which helps direct your audience to other pages or external sites. Now let's talk about resizing and moving your text. Clicking and dragging the corners of the text box will allow you to resize it until it perfectly fits the web design. After resizing, position it with a simple drag and drop to where you want it on the page. It's also vital to check how your website looks on mobile devices. Switch to mobile view by clicking on the phone icon at the top of your editor. Adjust the text size and placement here, just as you did for the desktop view, ensuring everything is easy to read and well positioned on smaller screens. Lastly, before going live, you'll want to click on Preview. This lets you see how your text will appear when published. If you notice any tweaks need making, now's the perfect time to adjust. Finally, when everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live for everyone to see. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully added and customized text on your Wix website.